Slowly come back. That's good. Beautiful. Relax your body. Inhale, exhale. गहरी लंबी सांस लेते रहें. Next आसन in the standing position is Padhasana. For that, stand properly. Gap between your feet is according to your shoulder level. Raise your hand upward, palm facing forward, and down your body forward, and try to touch your palm with the ground as much as you can. Don't give extra load to your body. जहाँ तक आप इसी पोजीशन में कंफर्टेबल जोन में कर सकते हैं करिए. That's beautiful. Very good. जहाँ आपको लग रहा है that is your end, slightly put some extra effort and reach your end slightly extra. हल्का ज़्यादा जाने की कोशिश करें and hold that position for next 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back with the same manner. जिस तरीके से आसन के लिए जाएंगे उसी तरीके से आसन के लिए वापस आएंगे. That's very good. Relax your body. Shake your legs, shake your hands. Inhale, exhale properly. Don't stop your breathings. सांस लेते रहें, सांस को बिल्कुल भी नहीं रोकना है. Once again, सिंहासन. Yes, hands upward, palm facing forward, slowly down. Try to touch to your palm to the ground. That's good. बहुत अच्छा. And hold that position for 15 seconds. Don't give extra. That asana make the spine flexible, improve digestion, and prevent constipation. Please avoid that asana in the case of cardiac problems and back problems. That's good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back with the same manner. Inhale, exhale. सांस लेते रहें, सांस न रोकें. Next asana in the standing position is Prasarit Padmukhanasana. For that, spread your legs. अपने पैरों को खोल लें. Spread your legs as much as you can. Comfortable. जहाँ आपको लगता है कि it's your comfortable position, hold that position. Make your hand forward. हाथों को ऊपर लेके चले जाएं. Palm facing forward and slowly down. Upper body down करें. Lower body down नहीं होगी. And try to touch your palm to the ground. Spread your legs. यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा पैर अपने और खोलें. Okay. Bend your elbows. अपनी elbows को bend करें. And try to touch your forehead to the mat. और अपने forehead को mat से लगाने की कोशिश करें. That's good. Hold that position for some time, at least 15 seconds. That asana will help in your back, for your spine, as well as digestion. बहुत अच्छा. सभी लोग बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. That's good. Beautiful. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back with the same manner. एक चीज आपसे बार बार कहा जा रहा है, जिस तरीके से आप आसन के लिए जा रहे हैं, try to come back with the same manner. That will help you a lot. Relax. Inhale, exhale. सांस लेते रहें. That's good. Once again, we are going to perform Prasarit Padmukhanasana. For that, spread your legs once again. अपने पैरों को खोल लीजिए. As much as you can feel comfortable. जितना आप comfortable feel कर रहे हैं. Okay. Try to hands upward. हाथों को ऊपर ले जाएं. Palm facing forward. Slowly down. धीरे आ जाएं. Down. Okay. Try to touch your palm to the ground or mat. That's good. Now fold your elbows. अपनी एल्बोज को होल्ड करें एंड ट्राई टू टच योर फोरहेड टू द ग्राउंड। अपने सर को अपनी मैट से और ग्राउंड से लगाने की कोशिश करें। बहुत ही अच्छा आसन है आपकी बैक के लिए, बैक पेन के लिए, स्पाइन के लिए, आपकी हैमस्ट्रिंग मसल्स के लिए, डाइजेशन के लिए। अगर किसी को कार्डिक प्रॉब्लम है या बैक प्रॉब्लम है तो अवॉइड दैट आसन, और जितना भी रिलैक्स या आसानी से कर सकते हैं वो करें। ओके, 5 4 3 2 1, relax, come back, slowly come back with the same manner. That's good. Inhale, exhale, सांस लेते रहें, सांस ना रोकें, look straight, relax your body, shake your legs, shake your hands, shake your body, shake your hands. That's good, beautiful. Okay. Now last asan is standing position is Trikonasana. Last asan is Trikonasana. For that, first we are going to perform with our right leg. Turn your right leg. Open your hand, palm facing forward, and try to touch your knee with the right hand. Left hand should be straight in the line of your shoulder, palm facing forward, and try to look the thumb of your left hand. Look straight, सामने देखने की कोशिश करें, सामने देखें, स्ट्रेट देखें, सामने देखें, बिल्कुल।
सामने कहीं की तरफ देखना है या
Where you feel comfort, जो भी आप एक इमेजिनरी पोजीशन अपने सामने बना दें उसको देखें। सामने in the line of your hand, that's it. And try to look the thumb of your up hand, जो आप हाथ आपको ऊपर जा रहा है उसके thumb को देखने की कोशिश करें। That is the best position. ये सबसे अच्छा पोजीशन।
सर एक बार देखिए।
हाँ, that's right, beautifully done, that's good. Or you can feel the pain at your side muscles. That's good. 5 4 3 2 1. Slowly come back. Slowly, very slowly. That's good. Down, relax. Inhale, exhale. Breathing is very important. In every asana, breathing is very important. You can feel your breathe. Inhale, exhale. Then you can feel your and enjoy your each and every asana. That is very important. So don't stop your breathing. Now we are going to perform with another leg. Turn your left leg. Open your arms. Go forward. Try to touch your knee with the left hand and your right hand in the line of shoulder, and try to see the middle finger of your right hand. Okay. That's good. That's beautiful. बहुत अच्छा। अंगूठा देखिए, थंब देखिए। That's good. बहुत अच्छा। That's beautiful. सभी लोग बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं। Hold that position for some time. बहुत अच्छा। थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा करेंगे हम इसको, हल्का सा। 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Relax your body. That's beautiful. बहुत अच्छा। इस बार सब लोग सेम मैनर में वापस आए। That's very good इंडिकेशन। बहुत अच्छा इंडिकेशन है। That is the path of progress. That's good. Now we are going to start sitting asana. For that, hands up, both the hands up, palm facing forward, bend your knees, first right, then left, and sit on your right in long sitting position. Long sitting position में आ जाएं। Very good. And relax your body for 1 minute. Look back, shake your legs, shake your legs. पैरों को हिलाएं, शेक करें, रिलैक्स योर लेग मसल्स, दैट्स गुड, एंजॉय योर ब्रीथिंग, सांस लेते रहें, सांस ना रोकें, गहरी लंबी सांस लें, दैट्स गुड, ब्यूटीफुल, look back, close your eyes, close your eye, close your eye, shake your legs, feel the relax in your whole body, feel that air, feel the sound of the fan, close your eye for 1 minute, that's good, you can feel that relaxation. Now we are going to start sitting asana. For that first asana is Ardhostasana. For that sitting in the Vajrasana. सब लोग वज्रासन में आ जाएं, वज्रासन में बैठ जाएं सब लोग। अगर सीधा डेमोन्स्ट्रेटर, आप डेमोन्स्ट्रेटर को देख सकते हैं, दैट्स गुड। फर्स्ट आसन इन द सिटिंग पोजिशन इज Ardhostasana. फॉर द Ardhostasana, बी ऑन योर नीज, अपने नीज पर आ जाएं, बी ऑन योर नीज, दैट्स वेरी गुड। Back should be straight, back should be straight. Each and every one try to make your back straight. Okay, first put your right hand and try to touch your buttocks. Then left hand try to touch your buttocks. Okay, and try to look back, look back, look back. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. No jerky movement and make that posture at least 15 seconds. Inhale, exhale and feel the pain in your abdomen. अपने abdomen में जो पेन हुआ इसको फील करिए, that's very good. Slightly extra, हल्का सा, जहाँ रुकें थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा, that's good. That's that gain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Come back with the same manner. Come back with the same manner. First straight your back, then turn your hands, go to the Vajrasana. Go to the Vajrasana. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. That's good. Relax your body. Okay, once again, same asana. Be on your knees. All of you be on your knees. Same procedure. First right hand, put on your buttocks. Then left hand, put on your buttocks. Okay. Look back. पीछे देखने की कोशिश करें. Both knees should be parallel. दोनों knees parallel रखने की कोशिश करें. That is the correct posture to perform that asana. That asana is benefits relief constipation and back pain, increase blood circulation to the head and cardiac region. Please avoid in the case of hernia and abdomen injury, arthritis. That's good. That's good. That's good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your body. Relax your body. Okay. Please sit in the long sitting position. Sit in the long sitting position. सब लोग रिलैक्स होकर लॉन्ग sitting position में आ जाएं. Next asana we are going to perform in the next sitting in the sitting position is Bhadrasana. Next asana is Bhadrasana. For the Bhadrasana, join your both feet, both sole of your both foot. अपने दोनों पैरों की सोल को मिला लीजिए. And try to keep the put your both hand on your knees. अपने दोनों हाथों को अपने knees पर ले आइए and try to make the butterfly position. जिस तरीके से butterfly fly करती है उस तरीके से अपने knees को fly करने की कोशिश कीजिए and put the efforts on your hamstring. अपने hamstring पर pressure देने की कोशिश करें. That's good. Inhale, exhale. सांस लेते रहें, सांस न रोकें. Look straight, सामने देखें, बिल्कुल straight देखें. That's good. That's good. That's good. Slightly put the both sole of your feet slightly inside. थोड़ा सा हल्का सा और अंदर करने की कोशिश करें. That's good. That's good. That's good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Come back in the long standing position. Look back. Shake your legs. Shake your hands. Relax your body. One more time we are going to perform the Bhadrasana. एक बार फिर से हम भद्रासन करेंगे. Make the same position. Join the sole of your both foot. मिला लीजिए. Put inside. जितना आप कर सकते हैं आपको inside ले जाएं. That's good. And try to make the butterfly position. वैसे करेक्ट तो ये है कि आप अपने पैरों को पूरी तरीके से अपनी नीज को जमीन से मिलाएं. Try to touch your knee to the floor or mat. लेकिन जितना भी आप कर सकते हैं उतना आसानी से करिए. Don't give the extra pressure. बस थोड़ा सा जहाँ आपको लगता है that is your end, that is the end of your reach, slightly put extra effort जिससे कि आपका वो gain. That's good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Come back in the long steady position. Long steady position आते हैं. That's good. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Next asana we are going to perform is Paschimottanasana. For the Paschimottanasana, please put your both hands on hold. दोनों हाथों को ऊपर ले जाएं. दोनों हाथों को ऊपर ले जाएं. And try to touch the both feet, foot with your palm. अपने हाथों से अपने पैरों की उंगलियों को पकड़ने की कोशिश करें. जितना भी आप कर सकते हैं मैक्सिमम. That's good. Don't give extra load. Extra jerky movement कोई भी नहीं करना है. The right way to perform that asana is right. You can touch your forehead with the knee. That is the right way. But where you can go, जहाँ आप ज़्यादा जा सकते हैं वहाँ जाने की कोशिश करिए. And on a daily basis, try to improve the range of your forehead as well as your knees. That's good. धीरे धीरे करेंगे तो definitely the day will come when we can touch our head to with the knees. Definitely. That asana will help to improve your flexibility of your spine, your abdomen as well as your hamstring muscles. That's good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Come back. Slowly come back in the same manner. Look back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax your body. Come back. Once again, we are going to perform Paschimottanasana. For the same asana, for that, come back in the long standing positions. Put your hand upward, palm facing forward, and try to touch your feet with your hand. That's good. That's good. That's good. जहाँ आपका लास्ट है उसके बिल्कुल राइट लुक दी फ्रंट ऑफ योर हेड. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax your body. Inhale, exhale. At least 3 or 4 times. Long inhale, long exhale. Next asana is Upavistkonasana. For that, open your legs. अपने पैरों को खोल लें. Open your both legs and try to put your both palm to the mat. दोनों palm को mat पे ले आइए, mat पे ले आइए और धीरे धीरे जितना भी go for the maximum. आगे आने की कोशिश करिए. Come forward, come forward, come forward. Try to touch your forehead to the mat. जितना भी आप जा सकते हैं. Go for the maximum. Go for the maximum. वेरी गुड आसन फॉर द डाइजेशन एज वेल एज बैक. बहुत ही अच्छा आसन है आपके डाइजेशन. जिनका पेट खराब रहता है उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा आसन है. होल्ड दैट पोजीशन. इस पोजीशन को होल्ड करने की कोशिश करें. Five, four, three, two, one. Relax your body. Relax your body. Relax your body. That's good. वज्रासन में आ जाए सब लोग. And last आसन we are going to perform sitting आसन, that is called the शशांक आसन. शशांक आसन हम लोग करने जा रहे हैं. लास्ट आसन. For that open your knees. अपने knees को खोलिए. knees को खोलिए. दोनों पैरों को खोलिए. Try to put your palm to the mat. अपने mat palm को mat पे ले आइए. And try to go forward. धीरे धीरे आगे जाने की कोशिश करें. That is the best way to increase your back range or forward range. First, before that we are perform the twist konasana. Then we are going to perform the shashankasana. That's it. Don't lift your hip from the floor. जिस तरीके से रैबिट होता है उस तरीके से हमको अपना ये पोस्चर बनाना है. That is the pose of rabbit. Five, four, three, two, one. Relax. Come back slowly with the same manner and relax your body. Relax your body. Now we are going to perform the prone position asana. For that all of you come in the मकरासन position. सब लोग मकरासन में आ जाएं. सब लोग मकरासन में आ जाएं and relax your body. अपनी बॉडी को लूज छोड़ दें. Open your legs. अपने दोनों पैरों को खोल लें. पैरों के थंब बाहर की तरफ रहेंगे. Tilt your necks towards right or left where you feel comfortable and relax your body for next 1 minute. Inhale, exhale. Feel the dripping sound of the birds. Feel that sound of rain. Slowly open your eyes, join your feet. Open your eyes, join your feet. Put your both hand near the chest and we are going to perform the Bhujangasana. We are going to perform the Bhujangasana. For the Bhujangasana, please one thing kept in mind, don't lift your legs, lift your upper body. This is start and your navel point should touch the mat. Navel point नहीं उठाएगा, सामने की तरफ देखेंगे and lift your upper body. अपनी upper body को उठाएंगे. That is called the cobra posture. Cobra posture. इसको हम cobra posture भी बोलते हैं. जिस तरीके से cobra अपना फन उठाता है, उसी तरीके से we are try to lift our front body. Look front. Feel the stretch. on your abdomen. अपने abdomen में जो pain है उसको feel कीजिए. Look straight. That's good. That's beautiful. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Slowly come back with the same manner and go for the Makarasana. Once again, join your feet, join your both foot together. Okay. Your palm should be near the chest and try to lift your upper body. अपनी upper body को उठाएं. Look forward till the navel point. Don't take your navel point. अपने navel point को नहीं उठाना है, उसको ज़मीन से लगा के रखना है. That is the best way to perform that भुजंगासन. भुजंगासन करने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका है. That आसन is benefit to stress management. स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट के लिए ये स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट के लिए बहुत अच्छा आसन है. Reduce the abdomen fat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. Relax your body. Relax. Inhale, exhale. Next asana we are going to perform is Dhanurasana. For the Dhanurasana, join your both foot, दोनों पैरों को मिला लीजिए. Hold your knees, अपनी knees को hold कर लीजिए and try to hold your knees with your hands. अपने हाथ से मिलाएं, उनको पकड़िए and lift your upper body as well as lower body. Your whole weight should be on your abdomen or your hip as well as. That's good. बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स है, बहुत अच्छा. ब्यूटीफुल. लुक स्ट्रेट. सामने देखिए, सामने देखिए. बहुत अच्छा. सभी लोग बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. होल्ड दैट पोजीशन एट लीस्ट 10 सेकंड और 15 सेकंड, जितना आप कर सकते हैं. बहुत अच्छा ये आसन आपके एब्डोमेन के लिए, आपके बैक के लिए, आपके लेग स्ट्रेंथ के लिए, आपके हैमस्ट्रिंग के लिए. बहुत अच्छा. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your body. Relax your body in the Makarasana. सभी लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से आसन किया है, मुझे यहाँ से दिख रहा है. All of you done well. Relax your body. Once again the same asana. Join your feet, bend your knees, hold your knees, hold your ankle with your hand and make the Dhanurasana position. That's good. Lift your upper and lower body both. Look front. सामने देखिए, सामने देखिए. अगर घड़ी को देख सकते हैं बहुत अच्छा. वॉच देख सकते हैं बहुत अच्छा. That's beautiful. Feel that pain at your abdomen, at your chest, at your thighs, at your hamstring. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax in the same manner. Weather is quite good. The wind is coming from the window. You can feel it. Next is Ardha Salabhasana. For that, Make your hand near your hip, palm facing upward. Female can make the fist. First, we can perform with our right leg. Lift your right leg at the 40 degree. That's good. Don't lift your chin from the mat. Look spread. सामने देखें and maintain that posture for 15 or 20 seconds. Look straight all of you. सामने देखने की कोशिश करें. Don't lift your chin. अपनी chin को मैट से नहीं उठाना है. That's good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax your body. Now we are going to perform with another leg, Ardha Slavasana. Put your left leg at the 40 degree. Don't lift your chin. Look straight. Don't lift your hand. Good. बहुत अच्छा. कोशिश करें कि आपके पैर हिलें ना, स्टेशनरी पोजीशन में रहें. That's good. बहुत अच्छा, बहुत ही अच्छा. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax in the Makrasana. नेक्स्ट इज पूर्ण सिलावासन. अब हम पूर्ण सिलावासन करेंगे. जॉइन योर फीट. हाथों को अपने हिप के पास ले जाएं. palm facing upward and try to lift your both feet. दोनों पैरों को ऊपर. Don't lift your upper body. Try to touch your chin to your mat. अपनी upper body नहीं उठाएंगे. That's good. Don't touch your knees to the ground. बहुत अच्छा. Very good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. 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 Last asana in the prone position is Viparit Nokasana. For that, make your hand upward. हाथ आगे के लिए, both hand upward. Join your feet. Try to lift your upper body as well as lower body. Put your body weight on at your abdomen as well as upper body और lower body को दोनों एक साथ उठाएंगे. That's good. That's good. Look forward. सामने देखेंगे. बहुत अच्छा. बहुत अच्छा. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. 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 Till your body right and come in Savasana. धीरे से अपनी बॉडी राइट की तरफ लेके जाएंगे और सवासन में आ जाएंगे. Now we are going to perform the asana in the supine position. अब हम supine position का आसन करेंगे. Relax your body. Relax your body. Relax your body. First asana we are going to perform in supine position is Setu Bandhasana. First asana is Setu Bandhasana. For that, join your both feet. Fold your knees. Fold your knees. Fold your knees. And try to touch your knee with the hand and lift the body. एंड ट्राई टू मेक द ब्रिज पोस्चर। जिस तरीके से हम ब्रिज का पोस्चर देखते हैं उसी तरीके से हमको अपनी बॉडी को ऊपर उठाना है। दैट्स गुड, दैट्स गुड। जहां आपको लगता है कि लास्ट से थोड़ा सा और उठाइए अपर बॉडी। दैट्स गुड, दैट्स गुड। एंड होल्ड दैट पोजीशन फॉर नेक्स्ट 10 सेकेंड्स। बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं सब लोग। 5 4 3 2 1 रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स योर बॉडी। Next asana, in the supine position, we are going to perform this Pavan Muktasana. For that, join your feet, and hold your both knees with your hands. दोनों पैरों से, दोनों हाथों से अपने knees को पकड़ लीजिए, and try to touch your knees with the forehead. That's good. Don't give extra pressure. 5 4 3 2 1. Relax your body. Relax your body. Relax your body. Next asana, in this spine position, we are going to perform this Nauka asana. For the Nauka asana, join your feet, all of you. Try to lift your both feet, try to lift your upper body, and try to touch your feet with the hand fingers. That's good. That's good. बहुत अच्छा. This asana is good for your back as well as your abdomen, your digestion. बहुत अच्छे तरीके से सब लोग कर रहे हैं। That's good. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax yourself. Relax yourself. Inhale, exhale. Once again, we are going to perform Naukasana. For that, join your both feet and try to touch your feet with your head. Really feel that your hand slightly put extra effort, slightly extra without any jerk. That's good, sir. Hold for next 10 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your body. Last asana in the supine position we are going to perform is Ardha Halasana. Ardha Halasana. For that, join your feet, hands should be straight, and lift your both feet up to the 90-degree level. Yes. And maintain that posture for next 15 seconds. Don't bend your elbows. Put your elbows straight. Put your elbows straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Slowly come back and relax your body. All of you tilt your body towards right and come in any meditative position. किसी भी meditative position में आके बैठ जाएं. Face towards me or dice. Face इधर कर लीजिए सब लोग. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Inhale, exhale. सांस लेते हैं. 5 times long breathing. Inhale, exhale. Now we are going to start pranayam. In that first we are perform Kapalbhati. We are going to make the strokes. Inhale, exhale. Inhale your lungs first. Start. Stroke. Again, inhale, strokes. Legs. Once again, 30 strokes. Legs. Last time, long breath. Put the pressure on your abdomen. Feel it. Relax your body. Relax. Next is Anulom Vilom. For that, make the position. Inhale from the right, long breath. Exhale from the left. Then inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. Same procedure at least 10 to 12 times. Inhale left, exhale right. Exhale right, inhale left. Long breathe, full your lungs with the oxygen. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Good. Beautiful. Relax your body. Next is Brahmal. For that, close the eyes with the index finger, mouth with the ring finger and small finger, ear from the respective tongue, and show with the finger. This is called Sukmukhi Mudra. इसको हम Sukmukhi Mudra भी बोलते हैं. And try to make the B sound. Very good. Legs. Now we are going to the meditation. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Now put your attention to your feet and feel positive energy entering from there. Feel it. Feel it. Feel it. Now put your attention towards your knees and feel positive energy entering from there. Feel it, feel it, feel it. Now put your attention towards your abdomen and feel the positive energy coming from there. Now put your attention towards your chest and feel positive energy coming from there. Feel, feel, feel. Now put your attention towards your head and feel the positive energy coming from there. Feel the sound of rain. Feel the sound of rain. Feel that weather. Feel the sound of your breath. Inhale, exhale. Feel the sound of clouds. Feel that rainy season. That's good. Now try to connect yourself with the superpower, Almighty, Allah, Ishwar, for next 10 minutes. Start. eyes. Slowly, slowly open your eyes. Slowly, slowly open